name is Akasha, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Canon M200. I really wanted to get a new camera to make more vlogs for you guys and for myself too, because I want a camera that's easy to carry around, photos, videos, even if it's personal or just for you guys on YouTube, whatever it is. So I bought it from like a third-party seller on Amazon, and the box, it kind of feels like something is loose in there. I'm kind of worried that maybe the stuff isn't really properly in there, but I hope it is. I don't know. It's an 18-piece bundle, so it comes with the camera, the lenses, all the extra stuff that I need or want, because I really don't need another tripod. You know, I have my camera on one right now, but essentially I could use it for a double angle or whatever I want. Also, I'm sorry if my hair is frizzy. I showered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. So let's get into it. I'm just really hoping that it's in there and like everything is fine, you know, because it was a third-party seller called like Al's Variety or something like that. Ow. Okay, so got a camera bag here. I'm just gonna put that to the side. I don't even know if I'll use it really. I think this is the tripod. Ooh, I like it. Mine's is bronze, so this one is silver, which is nice. Okay, I saw this on there, but I have no clue what this is. Something to do with photos and videos. Next, we have a couple things in here. I think I'm most nervous about opening up the camera because I just hope it's like the way it should be. They have the camera at Best Buy also, but I don't trust Best Buy. Every time I get something from there, something happens to it. I don't know what this is. It says HFL pen. Oh, it's like to dust off like some materials from the lens, like just like, you know, like that. Oh, and they got a little foam side here too. Satisfying. Some ASMR. Cool. I don't know what this is. Me just not knowing what half the stuff in here is. This is an SD card. I don't really need another one, so I'm probably gonna give this to somebody that needs it. This is a ultraviolet filter. Protects the lens from expensive front element damage. It can be caused by dirt, knocks, or scratches. Oh, I'm holding it the wrong way. That's cool. Dude, my ears are so big. That's why I like just leave my hair down. Look at how big they are. They've been big my whole life. I accept that my ears are big. Big ear gang. So I have this thing that you, I guess, put on the lens. And then like a little lens cloth. That was exciting. Now let's move on to the real deal. This box has been thrown around. Okay, guys. Okay, right away on top we got this plugs into the charger and then you plug it into the wall. I know that because I have one of these for my camera that I'm recording on right now. Lens strap, so you put it around the camera and you can put your I said lens strap? Camera strap that you put on your camera, and then you put your camera around your neck. Sometimes I'll throw it over my shoulder, or I'll wear the camera like this because it's better than dangling it around my neck. It just looks funny. So I don't know if I'll put this on there. I don't really want to, but I might. Like a wrist one would be better. So then we have this thick manual. I'm not going to use it because we don't do that. For a second I thought this was the camera. This is the charging thing. So that little wire I showed you, this one goes plugged into this, and then you put the battery in here and it charges it in the wall, and you can take it out and put it back in your camera. Because I knew I was getting this, I already ordered extra batteries. I can show you guys those too, and I'll link them down below. Okay, the actual camera, I'm not gonna open just yet. I'm gonna pull the lens out too. The battery, so let's get that open because we wanna pop that in there. My fat ear. I'm like so excited because I've wanted another camera for so long. The one that I record on, I've had it since I was 16 and I bought it myself with my own money, just like this one. And I bought it because I used to take photo class in school and I really wanted my own camera, even though we had cameras there that you could check out and take home and bring back. It just, you know, was more convenient and nice to me to be able to get my own. So yeah, and I think I bought that one for like $500 or something also, and it still retails for about the same, I believe, maybe a little bit less because it's been a couple years. And that's the Canon Rebel T5i. That's the one I'm recording on right now, and the lens on there is a 24mm. This lens is like a 15 to 45. So this is the lens. Oh my god, it is so nice. Hold up. I'm just trying to figure out what this little thing on the side is. So this is the lens cap. You just push and pull out and then you can put it back on. But what I'm trying to figure out is what this little thing right here is. No idea. Maybe, I don't know. The focus ring feels so smooth compared to mine. So we have the battery, the lens, we got the camera. Now this is the part that I'm most excited about. It feels so light compared to my DSLR. My DSLR is like that. It's the one that's on there. It's so heavy to carry around and stuff. Like, it's just not convenient to vlog with that because it's like this big. So when I'm vlogging, I'm like carrying that around. That's why I haven't been uploading a vlog for a long time. I already got a fingerprint on the screen. That's my camera on the other side that you guys see. That's my camera. And this is a very beginner-friendly camera. So my camera has like a massive knob and you can turn it and it has like a million settings. So this one, it's just pictures, video, and then auto, and then there's an on and off button. This to me is like my new toy. Like, you know how kids have like games and stuff? Like, this is my new toy, you know what I'm saying? Like, so cool, so nice. The buttons and everything, like it feels so good. Oh my god. So the battery goes down here. Let's go ahead and, ooh, even the way it pops out feels so nice. Like mine's is like really old. It doesn't pop out like that. You just open it and then you close it back up. But you have to remember, my camera came out in like 2013, I think, but then I bought it in like 2016 because I didn't want to spend money on the newest one. I got scammed. I posted a story about that, and then I got my money back and I got this camera, and now I got this one. That was years ago. I was 16. I'm 20 now, and this camera is still amazing, as you guys can tell. Like, 4 years and it's still really good. The only thing is I've dropped it a couple times and the audio is so bad on the camera, so I'm using this mic right here. This is the Blue Yeti, and this one is a little bit fancier than the other ones because I think it has like 4 mics or 3 mics or something like that on the inside, and the other one has like 2 or 3. I just know it has 1 more than the other ones do, but I suck at using it. So once I figure that out, you know, I should have just bought like a Rode mic, because this isn't as convenient as popping a mic on top of my camera. But this is so nice. Oh my, I'm like, oh my god. And this was cheaper than just buying like the camera itself from Canon. So that is like really exciting. So basically, to get the lens on there, you have to like, I'll show you guys. There's a button here that helps you take the lens off when you're done. Same as like my camera, but the button looks different on my camera. Everything looks different. This just feels so nice. Like, this is crazy. I keep touching the screen and I feel bad that I'm touching the screen. By the way, guys, this screen flips out like this. So when I vlog, I can just go like that, flips back in. The difference is on my camera though, the screen can spin. So I can turn it over. So like this one, I can't like close it like with this side facing out, so I have to be careful about not messing up the screen. Whereas on my camera, I flip the screen in so that's facing the camera so that the glass doesn't get damaged if it drops, you know? So with this one, the glass is always going to be on the outer side. Like I can't flip it, you know what I mean? Still so nice. This battery is so little compared to the one in my DSLR. But I have to remember, like, my DSLR is like, sounds so new. Yeah, the battery's definitely dead. I'll open this up too. So here's how you do this. You're gonna take off the cap. Okay. And you wanna line up those on the bottom to the ones on the bottom of the camera. And you just rotate till it clicks. Like that, and that's how you know that it's on. And then when you want to take it off, you click and you rotate again. This is so nice, guys. So this is my box of batteries that I haven't opened yet. Good thing I'm holding the camera over here. Ooh, it turned on. And this camera came out in 2019, so that's why it says 2019 on here. So today's October 1st, 2020. Okay, so I set it to the exact time down to the seconds. And now it says push and hold the lens switch in order to... Oh, so that button, this little button up here says, oh, that's what that's... I was wondering why... So if you don't push the switch... Okay, so on other lenses, like old lenses, like the ones I have, you can, if you just move this, it starts moving, but on this one, you have to push the switch up, and then you can go like this. The colors on this thing are amazing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna pop this card in. I was saying it absolutely looks better than my camera. So the card goes on this side. Okay, I really want you guys to see it. I'm gonna try to make a video. So all the settings are on the screen. Is it recording? Oh, it's recording now. So, can you guys see that? Like, it's very zoomed out. Compared to my camera, if I was holding it right there, it wouldn't be zoomed out at all. Oh, wow. Okay. I still have to figure out some of these settings. I don't know. Nonetheless, it looks really good. Here's my messy room. Wow. Like, I can hold the camera here, and usually on my camera, if I'm holding it right here, it looks like this, which is really annoying. So this is really nice. Oh my god. I love it. Here's my recording. So you push it and then you can pull it out like that. I love it. I absolutely love it already. Amazing. I am so happy with it. I'm gonna do a photo shoot soon too, like tomorrow or the day after, and then you guys, I don't know if you'll see that. Maybe I'll post a photo on my Instagram. Anyways, this is the end. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you want to see like a photo shoot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.